Well, it was a privilege serving with you.
You're so funny, Ezra. Okay, what happened to this bird? She's dead here. Poor bird. I think it's so cold, maybe. Hey, so today we are going. Where we are going?
We are going to see the largest waterfall east of the Rockies.
Wow. I think it's a 1 hour drive from here.
Yes,
Yeah.
1
It's
hour.
not so far from us.
40 miles.
I think close to Amy's parents' house. And Ezra, this can be your field trip. We can go a little bit hiking also. What do you think?
Yes.
Okay, he's happy with hiking.
Oh,
Huh?
not today was Sunday.
Today's I feel like Sunday. What happened? What happened? Oh, I just came
Walking.
to... Okay.
I just lower Whitewater Falls over
Look at this. What happened? You guys taking break?
Yeah, a little bit.
Half-mile walk, huh?
She is, not me.
Okay. He don't wanna take break.
Just enjoying. So
Yeah.
peaceful, but
Yeah.
very cold.
Yeah, it was not that bad actually. It's cold, but it's not that bad. We are here. Look at that waterfall. My goodness.
Turn it off. Be fun. Papa, this is gonna be fun when we come back up.
I know. It's gonna be like hike. We have to hike up the stairs.
This isn't much of a hike.
Whitewater Fall. I can say why they call it white. But this water looks so white.
Whitewater Falls is the highest waterfall east of the Rockies. The fall plunges an amazing 411 feet.
Let's go.
We're just going to hike. With this guy want to hike, so let's go for hiking. This is a hiking trail. So you cannot have, yeah, you cannot go. You cannot see any waterfall from here.
It's just it says foothills trails. I guess it just goes around the mountains. Doesn't matter if you fall. Not like it's really. This is nice. You can just hike on the side of the car. I can't even drive that.
Wow, which way we should go? Maybe 0.8 mile, shorter one.
Yeah.
Since it's so cold here.
And I don't think I'd survive on that 32. You'd have to bring a tent.
Yeah, for 32 miles. Okay, so we decided to go 0.8 mile one because the one is 32. It says. So this is better, I think. So now we are decided to go back. We don't see sign for 0.8 mile. We feel like we came quite a far. So So we say let's go back because we have to climb lots of steps and rocks.
Oh, remember all the stairs in the beginning?
Yes.
Oh boy. Definitely.
What happened?
I thought we were almost there, but these stairs means we're only less than halfway.
Yeah.
Well, it was a privilege serving with you.
You're so funny, Ezra.
Little rocks. There's some people who climb those without ropes.
I know.
Like people who are really good at.
Oh my goodness. We have to climb
Well,
these stairs.
faster we get it, the faster we get started, the faster we go. It's actually not too bad. Don't fall backwards.
Okay, let's go. This is another climbing. Look at this. Let's go. So this is the waterfall. This is the waterfall right here, and this is the steps going up to the road. Taking break. Look.
Time
No.
to keep going. Oh, we're almost there. Oh.
Here we go.
My face is so cold, I can't even like smile. I think my face is numb.
What's the temperature right now? You think?
I don't know. I think the high today was supposed to be 39, but here it feels colder.
Yeah, here I think a little bit colder.
It's so windy.
Okay.
Like an
Come.
Afghani.
How was your experience, Zara?
How was your hike? Aw.
He's red.
He was red cheeks.
Yeah.
About bears,
He
but
said-
all the
he
bears
said-
are hibernating.
He's saying that you were scared of bears on the hike, but then he told you that all the bears were hibernating.
Don't make me laugh.